Welcome to Tutorial Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to level up in the Sonic Dash game. To increase your level, which you can see right here, what you want to do is, just as it says, upgrade characters. To do so, you can tap on these cards right here and then find characters that are available for upgrade, like such. Tap on any one of the ones with the green arrow, tap upgrade, and then use the rings you've collected throughout the levels to upgrade them and get the specified amount of experience. You can look through what you can upgrade. Of course, if you don't have enough rings, you're gonna have to play the game to collect them. Maybe choose this option to watch an ad for gaining a bit of rings, or gain them through the building function if it's available. As you can see, you can get some rewards, which may take a bit more though. Yeah, don't have enough in here. But outside of this, there's no other way to really gain levels outside of this. If this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.